Every single day, this massive factory receives thousands of tons of fresh tomatoes, beginning one of the world's largest food manufacturing operations.
The tomatoes are thoroughly washed using purified water to remove dirt and prepare them for processing.
Powerful industrial crushers process thousands of tomatoes every minute, creating a continuous flow of fresh tomato mash. The tomato mash is rapidly heated to preserve its natural color, fresh flavor, and perfect consistency. Industrial pulping machines separate the skins and seeds, producing smooth, high-quality tomato pulp.
Vacuum evaporation concentrates the tomato pulp into rich tomato paste, while preserving its natural taste and nutrients.
For ketchup production, the tomato concentrate is blended with carefully measured ingredients to create its signature flavor. Automated filling systems package thousands of tomato products every hour with exceptional speed and precision.
After filling, every bottle, jar, and can is automatically sealed. This protects freshness, prevents contamination, and ensures a long shelf life.
From this world-class facility, millions of tomato products are shipped every year to supermarkets and kitchens across the globe.